If you build AI agents, today's practical problem is not just a better model. Models change agent habits, provenance changes the answers you see, and observability assumptions can break. Over the next 8 minutes, we show concrete fixes, per-run logging, persistent REPLs, prompt provenance, and decoupled provider architectures. Practitioners report surprising behavior after swapping base models, even with unchanged prompts and tools. Example: a ticket closed in 11 assistant turns now closes in 4 and misses a check, or runs 40 turns and trips the harness guard. Common log: agent exceeded maximum iterations, max_steps equals 12. That message usually comes from your harness. Counting assistant turns is a proxy for planning, and can break on model swap. One response is persistent recursive language models. Prime agent runs agents in a persistent Python REPL. Context becomes active variables, subagents are function calls. A continual harness saves prompts, memories, and skills to files. Use/refine to distill successful trajectories into reusable local skills. A better model helps, but the harness and context management matter more. Harnesses control context, tools, permissions, memory, and evaluations. Examples: Strands agents and Claude Code. Prompt engineering still matters. Be specific, use few-shot examples, and use structured tags when needed. These differences have operational consequences. If your guard counts assistant messages, a model that internalizes planning looks faster. If it externalizes planning, it hits step limits sooner. In CI, a linter finished its work then timed out at 311 seconds against a 300-second budget due to a cold cache. Cache expiry was 7 days, and reruns masked the cause. Measure per run and log terminated by to separate model ends from guard cuts. Provenance matters. Community signals influence AI discovery. Google platform properties let creators connect Instagram, TikTok, X, and YouTube to Search Console. But platform properties do not record which community sources appear in AI answers. Reddit and LinkedIn are not in the supported list. Enterprises should separate search metrics from AI citation provenance and log prompt inputs and source domains. For developers, adopt 2 workflows. 1. Use LLMs as documentation amplifiers to extract structure from scattered notes. Always validate drafts against source code or OpenAPI specs. 2. Keep prompt provenance records. Record prompt version, date, source domains, final output, and the human reviewer. That makes decisions traceable and reviewable. There are concrete architecture wins. Decouple business state from provider technical state in MDM integrations. Synchronize device information every 5 minutes into MongoDB so the front end reads locally. For lakehouses, apply medallion discipline. Bronze is append-only raw data. Silver commits to a data model. Gold is shaped for consumers. These reduce vendor lock-in and preserve reprocessability. Note practical limitations and trade-offs. Arabic and Hebrew are abjads that leave short vowels ambiguous. Diacritization is a best effort guess and should be treated that way. Hiring. A senior salary of $150,000 to $200,000 typically implies fully loaded costs of about 1.25 to 1.4 times salary. Operational defaults matter. A 7-day cache expiry causes weekly cold runs. Read the original posts for implementation detail. All source links are in the description. The video's notes include the full list of URLs cited.